You want it? Sushi. Sushi eats the heart.
That's a no.
That's a strong no.
Strong no.
Okay. You want to get this bloodline right here, especially. And then you wash that out. We came at low tide. We were here about an hour after low tide, and we started looking for shark teeth. So about 2 hours after low tide, when the water started moving in again, that's when they started biting.
Yeah.
And that's the usual story. So, whoa.
Did you see something in the monitor?
Had a great day. I hope that you guys learned a little something.
Yeah.
If not, you know, I hope you had a good time hanging out with us for a little bit. This is what we love doing. If you want to try our bait out, senkoskipper.com. There's 2 types available. Today, all we were using was the uncut, the entire mantle of the squid. Usually, when we're jigging with bucktails, we're using the tentacles. My surf rods are strapped onto my backpack here, with 3 straps here. This isn't coming off. This side, my poles are strapped down.